In 2010, a small company called RTR exploded onto the Mustang performance scene, offering their unique take on a factory performance Mustang. Today RTR celebrates its 10th anniversary and has partnered with the team at Lebanon Ford to offer the wildest road-going Mustangs you can buy from a dealership. To celebrate 10 years of RTR, Vaughn partnered with Lebanon Ford to bring a limit run of 10 RTR Spec 5s to a select group of buyers. RTR currently offers 3 levels of RTR Mustangs that you can purchase at dealerships across the country, but the Spec 5 takes things to a new level. In the RTR performance hierarchy, the RTR Spec 1 is all cosmetic enhancements, Spec 2 adds a complete suspension system to the Spec 1's exterior treatments, and finally, the Spec 3 adds a Ford performance supercharger good for 700 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. The Spec 5 builds on the RTR Spec 3, adding a Ford Performance Phase 2 supercharger kit good for 750 horsepower. To cope with this additional power, RTR beefed up the drivetrain to handle the additional power reliably. On the exterior, the Spec 5 includes a widebody kit based on Vaugh's drift car, which gives this Mustang an unmistakable presence. Each 10th anniversary Mustang RTR Spec 5 will be built in lead foot gray, and the customer will get to choose their accent color. The available colors are Hyper Lime, Race Red, Orange Fury, Grabber Blue, and Space White. To build your Spec 5, be prepared to pay $50,000 on top of the price of your Mustang. This leads to pricing around $85,000 for a modestly equipped Mustang GT.